Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO A53s. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning let's enter Settings and go to Display and Brightness. In here we've got all of our display settings. Let's start with the top of the list where you can change brightness level, or enable or disable auto brightness, dark mode, eye comfort mode, and auto rotate screen. Then we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, color temperature, and screen refresh rate between auto, 90 Hz and 60 Hz. Next we've got font, wallpaper, and themes. Themes and fonts can be downloaded from Play Store. Next we've got font size, between small, default, medium, large and very large. Display size, screen display for front camera display by app and full screen display by app. We can set between auto adapt, show front camera, hide front camera. And that's all for our display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.